Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the tracker talking to your wallet. Open Ronin Tracker, then unlock your Ronin wallet and choose Browser Extension or Wallet Connect. Once connected, approve the D-App prompt and confirm the network is Ronin, Chain ID 2020. Make sure to allow read-only access only, do not share your seed. After approval, the tracker pulls recent blocks and shows an initial balance, so you can immediately see accounts and pending transactions. Once connected, force a full sync so your tracker fetches all historical transactions and token balances. Use the filter controls to narrow by incoming versus outgoing, token type, or a specific date range. Next, label recurrent addresses and tag known counterparties so future activity is clear. This speeds auditing. If you have external records, import a CSV to reconcile trades and transfers. Then, review token contracts and verify token decimals to ensure numeric balances display correctly. To finish, export a transaction report as CSV or PDF for bookkeeping, taxes, or backups. Choose the date range and include token prices if needed. After export, disconnect the tracker from your wallet and clear temporary permissions. This reduces exposure. Finally, secure your seed and enable two-factor where supported. If the sync fails, try retrying, switch the RPC endpoint, or reset the tracker's cache in settings. Those steps usually resolve stale data or partial sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.